In today's quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze the top row and the first column at the same time. This is super helpful when you're working with large spreadsheets and you want your headers to stay visible while you scroll. Let's jump right in. Before we start clicking around, let's quickly talk about what freeze panes means. Excel has a feature that lets you lock certain rows or columns in place. So when you scroll down, your header row stays visible. And when you scroll to the right, your first column stays visible too. This makes it much easier to read and compare data without losing track of what each row or column represents. Let's begin with the basics. If you only want to freeze the top row, here's what you do. Go to the View tab on the ribbon. Click Freeze Panes. Choose Freeze Top Row. You'll notice a thin line appear under the first row. Now, when you scroll down, that top row stays locked in place. If you only want to freeze the first column, the steps are almost identical. Again, go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, select Freeze First Column. A vertical line will appear to the right of column A. Now, when you scroll horizontally, that first column stays visible. Now here's the part most people miss freezing both at the same time. You can't just click Freeze Top Row and then Freeze First Column. Excel only allows one freeze setting at a time. So instead, you need to use the main Freeze Panes option. Here's how to do it. Click on the cell B2, this is important. Excel freezes everything above and to the left of the cell you select. Since B2 has row 1 above it and column A to the left, those are the parts that will be frozen. Now go to the View tab. Click Freeze Panes, the first option in the drop-down. You'll see both a horizontal and vertical line appear. Now, when you scroll down, row 1 stays visible. And when you scroll right, column A stays visible. Perfect for large datasets. If you ever want to undo this, it's simple. Go back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, choose Unfreeze Panes. Everything returns to normal, and that's it. You now know how to freeze the top row, the first column, and both at the same time in Excel. This little trick can make navigating big spreadsheets so much easier. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, subscribe, or drop a comment with what you want to learn next.